Goldilocks? We are making waffles. We got the girls just woke up, helping us out, fixing these out. You're awake, but we were working. Yeah. See, we were working out, and now we're having breakfast at 10 o'clock. Making major waffles right here. We had a whole bunch of fruits and watermelon.
No, don't get sea lice because Jasmine and Lindsay got them.
Our biggest thing yesterday was sea lice.
Oh my gosh, it's still itchy.
A little itchy, but sea lice is not like head lice, but it's definitely a little clear little larva of like jellyfish.
If you go to the beach and you're in the ocean, and when you get out you feel something prickly and like all over you and you're very itchy, that's a sign of sea lice.
We got hash browns, sausage, no coffee. We finished coffee 2 days. Breakfast time. What'd you do when you guys woke up today? Played Fortnite? Alright fellas.
Hi.
Team Fort Day. We are going fishing. We're gonna try and catch some fish to take back home.
Over here.
Starfish.
Starfish.
Gonna find the turtle from the turtle area.
I'm gonna go to the inlet over down here. We're gonna get some bait and tackle. Time to catch some.
I did the casket and you pulled it in.
Well, we made it to the south inlet after we got denied the north inlet.
We are currently getting ready to fish, and I can. So, we have some gum. It's not gum. It's bait that looks like gum. And we're here at a spot. It's very windy right now. We have squid. The squid's right there. So we have our big fishing rods. It's not mine, but where's the? I think we have some crocodile squid here. Crocodile squid. Hello.
We just started.
My dad's gonna go for his first cast. Dad, you're first. Look at my dad. We have a big one. Squid on there. Currently ready. There's people talking. My dad's getting ready. Let's go, baby. Oh, and he's getting ready. Putting on the bait. Oh! Wait, what?
So we've been probably fishing for an hour, right?
Only an hour?
Maybe even longer, and it's getting hot. I'm not catching anything. I don't even know what I'm doing. Our first cast got stuck in the rock and I had to go climb down these rocks just to try and dislodge it. You thought I was gonna fall in, right? We're having fun. It's a nice view out here though, right? Got boats coming through. Nice little bridge back there. So no matter what, good weather. Hanging out. Alright, so we just finished our fishing. 2 hours out in the inlet with the only thing that we caught were mussels.
And
Tiny.
2 of them are on my body right now.
Tiny mussels.
Tiny mussels. That
don't even
represent
know.
our entire trip.
They're like baby mussels. Boys, what did we get off this trip? Ice cream.
We got a little shrimp. We got a little squid.
Now we gotta head back home to the ladies with bad news that we don't have dinner.
Once again, they're gonna yell at us and tell us
how worthless we are. Yeah, let's hope they have the coffee because our next challenge is gonna be a coffee challenge. It's gonna be fun. We're about to do our second challenge of vacation, and it's the coffee challenge.
The parents are gonna get these coffees. We got Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Wawa, Folgers, and like the donut shop. Guys, how do you
Cam.
Cameron. Focus.
Santa.
Focus.
This guy. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Starting with the adults. Coming in at third with a lovely score of 55. Miss Jackie Joaquin. Coming in second with a score of 50. Mrs. Akins. And a winner by unanimous decision, John, the Cahola 2, Zaki, score 49. So for the kids, I'll give you guys the top 3 scores. Score of 59 goes to Miss Jasmine.
Yay!
And then second place and then first place with a score of 55 and 53 respectively. Second place, Cameron Akins. The most impressive comeback score of the evening with the second best score for the second